the Duster Extend has enough models to suit an expansive scope of family needs. The least expensive are very much adjusted for the job of straightforward local workhorse, while the top trim levels have no deficiency of mod cons, including sat-nav and a back view camera. Contingent upon which of the 4 petroleum and diesel motors you pick, 2- or 4-wheel drive is accessible. With so much decision and offering such extraordinary worth, it's nothing unexpected that the Duster won the Low Value Point Family SUV Gong in the 2020 What Car? Vehicle of the Year grants. Obviously, different brands have now cottoned on to the Dacia equation, and the MGZS coordinates the Duster for size and difficulties at on cost. Does that improve a purchase, however, or would it be a good idea for you to focus on something somewhat pricier? Peruse on to perceive how the Dacia Duster contrasts and its nearest equals. What's more, whatever new family SUV takes your extravagant, head to our new car buying pages for an extraordinary, wine-free arrangement.